I'm your Wood-Mizer service rep today. We're going to look at the negative contactor that rides the bottom rail of the sawmill. You can see down here we've got a little bit of rust buildup just from being a new piece of machinery here. We're going to touch it up with some steel wool, but you can clean this up and you'll see it knocks that rust right off. You'll want to wipe some oil on it when you're done. One thing to point out, you've got two springs, one on each one of these mounting bolts, that are pushing this contactor upward. And if those springs are not working properly, they need to be replaced, but you want to have good pressure on this contactor against this bottom rail to make a good ground. The bracket is on a bolt that uses a lock nut, so it allows it to slide a little bit, to have a little bit of movement as the sawmill travels forward and backward to complete the ground. This is for the hydraulic box also. This is only putting ground to the hydraulic box, so if your hydraulics are not working, this is a good place to look.